Archangel Michael, Archangel Metatron, and Archangel Ariel, new stripes of Cynocephalus, a fitting merger. The day is 72 hours and starts at 3 p.m. after hitting the 3 a.m. meditation bells 3 times prior. This post's launch time is the East Coast US 8:08 morning gate, on the 3D date 101,420. The following 3 p.m. will start this new day. Follow this parallel around the globe until it hits local time at 3 p.m. If you are conscious that a new day has begun, it is customary to send love and kindness to someone. Today's date on the Archangelic calendar is Infinity 119A7 Infinity Infinity Y3C3 Y3C3C3 Infinity Infinity O3M 3M 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 3 Infinity Infinity B2TT Infinity. Please visit us at archangeliccalendar.com for more information. And please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for your continued support. The calendar and transition hodgepodge. Gaia is in the element of spirit in a very equally balanced sort of way. This means that Gaia is holding all the elements in equal force instead of inwardly reflecting for calm and balance. This coincides with many changes taking place in divine essence and timing. We were able to move a great amount of energy in the right direction. As a result, we shifted hard. This is a miraculous timeline, as it starts to dictate its divine will. When I say miraculous, I mean that in a very supernatural sort of way. This is a wonderful place that was a movement initiated by Infinity Expanding Creator Source. The term God helps those who help themselves come to mind here, as this misconstrued notion is a macro way of permitting the highest aspects of divinity to intervene in the same direction as your efforts. The random flashes of light are a side effect of infinitely expanding Creator Source, moving us to a higher dimensional outcome of this Earth drama, in synchronization with the Legion's movements. There are so many changes happening at once, it will be tough to keep track of all of them all. We will do our best, but hold great faith that all will be for the highest good of all involved. There are so many malevolent messages these days, it's a good time to listen intently to what is coming from within. This message trumps all other messages and always will. Hearing random clicks is an interpretation of an energetic event in your vicinity. Pay attention to the timing of this. Legion news and disclosure. If you wonder where Archangel Michael is, he is in Shiva form, and the most physically present we have ever seen him. We announced 8 tribes of Cynocephalus as a member of multiple legions. They were interested in joining because we unexpectedly freed them from bondage in the assignments the other day. AA Ariel, who is not to be confused with Archangel Ariel, is the Archangel of game and fame, as she calls it. She is redefining the macro settings on admiration. The general masses will start to admire celebrity less and value the value of the human much more. All archangels can be feisty, but there are a select few who have full-on tempers. I will not distinguish who is who except for Archangel Metatron, who started as human and kept many human traits. In many ways, he is the most powerful archangel regarding earthly matters because of his human physicality. In this statement, we fulfill the law of disclosure and prepare you for what he is about to do. With no joy, we report the great creator's passings, pass the guard to a new generation of greats. The metaphysical tools of consciousness go to those who use them the best, the same way the creative metaphysical tools do. There will be much more of this, and it will be clear the extent to which the guard has been passed in this upcoming season. Philosophical all-you-can-eat buffet. There are metaphysical healing areas or med beds created by various benevolent races. Access them in meditation. It's a very profound experience. Hunting for sport in any way is unacceptable in the eyes of divinity. Harming someone, just because, whether it is a bug or a galaxy, is not part of a benevolent or sentient lifestyle. We understand that some people hunt for sustenance, although not ideal. We can certainly see why one would need to do so. In many regards, it's the intention behind the action that is the deciding factor of malevolence. There are more ways to hunt than with a gun. Finances are used much in the same way, to choke out your enemy without them knowing it. This specific methodology was framed out by the law of success as a civilized way to kill your enemy. Regardless, all of the practices of harming someone is unacceptable, and we need to remove such notions from our 5D world. We do not take any financial reasoning behind fracking as a reason to continue the practice. After all, finances are a human made system that can be changed at any time. We speak on behalf of Gaia, who is not a willing participant in fracking. This means that someone's will is being pushed upon our planet and is not respecting its sentiency. NASA is hilarious, claiming the infinite nature of space is getting too crowded. It's getting to the point where this authority, of all things space related, should merge with Ringling Brothers, as it seems to be a natural fit. There is a movement to save science, and if it refers to the need to remove corruption in science, then yes, it needs to be saved immediately. Unfortunately, this movement is to reinstate corrupt science's authority, which does not serve any purpose. An unchallenged scientific community is a dangerous notion, and these challenges must come from a free scientific community. At its best, science allows all things to be subject to rigorous debate, and if there is no debate, it becomes weaponized ignorance. Intense scientific debate was a pivotal factor in our understanding of quantum physics but was later omitted when we were forced to blindly follow the A=mc2 version of the universe, which is propaganda against the electric universe theory. There are few acts as damaging to humanity as a corrupt scientific community because it bleeds into the medical, agricultural, educational, governmental, and other vital parts of our way of life. The most powerful among us should not beat our chest to tell the world how great we are. We will do our job liberating the almost 8 billion people of the earth, and ego does not get involved. If they figure out your greatness, so be it, and if not, so be it as well. Keep your eyes on the field and not on the grandstands. Your will must be stronger than your mind and body. A good test of this is getting yourself out of bed when you are exhausted. If your will is stronger than your body, you will accomplish this. The same way that if your will is stronger than your mind, you can come back to life after your world crashes down, and if your will is stronger than your soul, you can easily rise from the dead. Coming back to the body, if one cannot master themselves enough to leave the bed, there isn't much fortitude left for any other endeavors. Have no pride in ignorance, it means you are not open to learning or understanding. This universe's layout is unlimited, all things will continually grow, we know almost nothing about the vastness that actually is. We are utterly knowledgeless about the reality of what existence is. This does not mean we should be happily content with this fact. Today's tools. Tools will be active until the next post. Use the legend below to help you decipher how to best use today's weapons. Passive equals no intention needed to use or arm. It will work on its own when you accept its presence. All you need to do is give permission, and it will work on your behalf. Active equals intention needed to use. Aggressive equals will attack before anything has a chance to harm you. Do not try to wield weapons if there is no pure love in your heart for your motions and the attached beings. The violet flame is set for 9/27 AAs, 2 plus 7 equals 9, from the set of 6. This movement is a good sign that we are in an optimal setting and set for a resolution. The violet flame team is as follows and is in no particular order: Archangel Jermaine, Archangel Zadkiel, Archangel Ansil, Archangel Raguel, Archangel Orion, Archangel Batkol, Archangel Sablo, Archangel Bryathos, Archangel Agla, Archangel Abraxos, Archangel Harahel, Archangel Bazazat, Archangel Af, Archangel Machdil, Archangel Eshma, Archangel Galaizur, Archangel Emmanuel, Archangel Adnachil, Archangel Sazuz, Archangel Shamsil, Archangel Tubil, Archangel Gzrael, Archangel Servil, Archangel Tatrasil, Archangel Azil, Archangel Omil, and Archangel Burial. Active. Archangel Michael's legendary sword can handle anything, as it is entirely omnipotent. No level of consciousness can block this divine weapon. It is also a great weapon against electronics and technology as it can override any circuitry. Passive, active, and aggressive. Archangel Isaac's radiant field looks a lot like Magneto's force field, and it reacts to any life form with either loving energy or a transmutational blast of vast power. Passive and aggressive. Archangel Leo's Swords of Plenty is a passive and aggressive attack sword with a complete will. Do not try to wield at all, you will only get in the way. Equip and go. Passive and aggressive. Archangel Kalaziel's radiant rays of health can ward off all diseases and illnesses. It can also help life recover from conditions already inflicted. It is valid on land masses and living beings. Passive and aggressive. Archangel Theliel's radiant compassion sends heartfelt love to all within your jurisdictions. The tool brings a nurturing aspect of healing, and it has incredible warmth. It is best to wield this with a calm frame of mind. Active. Archangel Raphael's healing staff is an omnipotent healing force that works gradually or intensively depending on how you wield it. It is considered the best general healing instrument. Passive and active. Archangel Jeremiel's enhanced intuition allows the voices of your soul to become louder. It will enable the judges of spirit to be more evident than ever before. Passive, active, and aggressive short range. Archangel Chamuel's radiant peace allows you to be secluded in a peaceful bubble, no matter what is happening around you. It also allows those in your heart space the same benefits. Active and passive. Vahu Manal's Timeline Destroyer is a great reality molder. It can help you actively destroy lower timelines that you do not wish to experience. For example, if the thought of tragedy enters your brain for no reason, use this sword to destroy that timeline so it cannot manifest. Active and passive. Archangel Dabiel's staff of bear medicine can heal all natural things. This staff is also a powerful ally against all things that may obstruct well-being. Active. Archangel Sophia's headdress of wisdom is a meditational specialist that helps give you sight beyond sight during meditation. Call upon her and this tool before entering meditation and enjoy it. Active and passive. Chiliel's horn summons an army of unimaginable power to your location. This is a hypersensitive tool, and it will adapt to current events in your life and on a global scale. Today's assignments. Please use today's current tools if you need assistance performing the tasks below. Nothing is requiring you to do the following. If you are ready, your higher self will call you to duty. If not, skip to the meditation. Please note it is always advised to hold metaphysical modalities for at least a 72 count. You must be ready for unexpected calls to metaphysical action without a prompting. Asterisk continue to use the exit and entrance portals that we created yesterday, they are beyond efficient. We are starting to become very prolific portal masters. Asterisk cities in need of violet flame assistance: New Delhi, Calcutta, Stockholm, Bali, Philadelphia, Trenton, Denver, Detroit, Berlin, Warsaw, Moscow, Cape Town, Melbourne, Sydney, Tokyo, Burma, and Myanmar. Asterisk we need extra help on Australia's entire landmass. Use dense fluctuations of violet flame anytime you hear the name. This is the front line in many ways, and as spring starts in the southern hemisphere, the rebirth of nature needs to be micromanaged for malevolent intent. It would also be wise to send emerald green plasma to the country and then the planet in anticipation of planned wildfires. Asterisk we see a flare-up of psychic attacks by organized darkness engulf the earth with orange flame to pinpoint the source. Once you find the source, announce yourself with violet flame and go in with sword and shield. Asterisk a potent tool that we have to assist the sleeping masses is a download center, which has been used for millennia for higher dimensional communications. To create a download center, you must zero in on a specific spot on Earth. Then create a pyramid of light to plant a seed of higher consciousness to anyone who enters this area. The thing about planting a seed is that success depends upon the person tending it. If we evoke a rainbow pyramid, it will bring a more realized divine hand to the general area, but it can be any color that calls to you. If we all can commit to creating at least 9 of these, anywhere in the world, we feel it proper, it would make a difference in the 3D and 5D timelines. Asterisk the Gulf of Mexico has a huge temple in its center. This temple is the best functioning ancient temple on this timeline. The temple has 9 corners that need to be activated before we activate the center with platinum lightning. The outer color codes will be individualized because this is a 12th dimensional pyramid created in a very complex quantum void. It would be best if you felt your way through each corner to see what color lightning will serve you best. Asterisk there is a similar temple in The Great Barrier Reef. This temple is surrounded by multi-dimensional craft. To activate this temple, you will need to place circular plasma discs on its center column in the following colors: white, pink, light blue, gold, yellow, green, red, brown, teal, rose gold, silver, orange, indigo, violet, platinum, diamond, rainbow. Asterisk: there is a powerful energy surge coming in from the heart of the earth. To encourage its release, send the following flames to the center of the earth: white, pink, light blue, gold, yellow, green, red, brown, teal, rose gold, silver, orange, indigo, violet, platinum, diamond, rainbow. Asterisk: imbue the sun with rainbow light. Use the entrance portal we created yesterday for an enhanced effect. Today's meditation is above. Please enjoy.